New tonight, a South Florida mayor says he was viciously harassed while at an early voting site. Fort Lauderdale Mayor Dean Trantalis won re-election on Tuesday. And the harassment he says he was a victim of could be part of a pattern here. CBS 4's Ted Scouten reports.
It was a long gun, so I knew exactly when I turned around there was a gun pointing at me.
A terrifying attack on Wilton Drive. The guys in this blurry picture are the culprits. A man visiting the area who does not want to reveal his identity recalls the moment he was shot October 30th with what turned out to be a paintball gun.
When I got hit multiple times, I thought I was being shot at with a real gun because I saw the gun pointing at me. And when I felt myself get hit, and it was just one after another, I thought I was being shot.
That attack left him and a friend bruised and frightened. He thinks the LGBTQ community was targeted.
It was clear that they were looking for someone to be able to target and attack.
On election night, more allegations of harassment on the drive in the same block in the middle of the entertainment district. People with Trump flags could be heard hurling homophobic slurs. And last Saturday, Dean Trantalis, the mayor of Fort Lauderdale, who's openly gay, also feeling the sting of homophobic insults as he was campaigning at an early polling place.
I encountered a number of people who were there on behalf of the Trump campaign who immediately accosted me and started calling me pedophile, started calling me and just thought it was fun.
Trantalis calls them a fringe element. He said he was also targeted near his home.
I had yard signs for my campaign, and people attached little pink flags with my name on it within 2 blocks of my house, which is a dog whistle for someone who's gay, and it's almost like they were trying to say, we're watching you, we're around your house. You know, they wanted to intimidate me.
Mayor Trantalis said their tactics did not work.
If you can't be respectable, honorable people, then you need to take your dog and pony show and go somewhere else, because that's not who we are.
As for that paintball attack, if you have any information that can help investigators find the guys who are responsible, give Broward Crime Stoppers a call. That number is 954-493-TIPS. In Wilton Manors, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News Tonight.